The best hot chocolates have to have lots of chocolate and lots of cream. I'm going to show you the French way of making this and the French way of serving it. So in a pot, we're going to add some cream. I'm using thickened cream for this recipe, and I need about 200 mils. I'll also add some milk, 300 mils of milk. So you need 500 mils for about 2 people. We'll just pop that in there. To sweeten it up, some icing sugar. I'm adding about a tablespoon or so, but it really depends on the chocolate you're using and how sweet you like your hot chocolate. We'll pop this onto the heat, and just on a medium to low heat, because you want to slowly melt the chocolate. I'm using a combination of dark chocolate and milk chocolate, but you can just choose to use dark chocolate or milk chocolate. It's totally up to you. And I'm just going to break in the chocolate. You want about 150 grams of chocolate. And I don't want to make this into fine little pieces. I actually just want to put little squares in so it slowly melts into our cream and milk mixture. So another extra bit of milk chocolate. So about half of this, in it goes. And give that a little mix, and we'll just let that melt away. On top of this luscious hot chocolate, there's going to be a little cloud of whipped cream. So in a bowl, I'll add some more cream, about 200 mils. It has to be cold, thickened cream. Some icing sugar. If you've got some vanilla bean, absolutely use it, but it's not essential. And I'll just grab a small knife. We'll just take the seeds out. So just cut straight through the center of the vanilla bean, and we'll scrape that straight in there. On the other side, we'll collect all those little jewels, and we'll whisk this together until it's light and fluffy. Okay, so my cream has been whisked, and have a look at this luscious hot chocolate. See how thick and dark it is? That's because we've got the combination of the cream and the milk in here, and lots of chocolate. So once it's almost come up to boil, you don't want it to boil, just turn it off, and we can pour it into a bowl. Now in France, you don't have this in a mug, you have it in a big bowl. So we'll pour it in. Oh, look at that. And to make it extra decadent, a generous dollop of this chantilly cream, which is just the combination of cream, sugar, and vanilla bean on the top. And that, my friends, is one of the best things you'll ever have. A little croissant on the side, or just sip away at that on a cold winter's day.